This is Kaeli from Jill's office, and this video is going to show you how to create a Zap and Zapier within your account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Zapier account, and then you're going to click on the left hand, up here on the left hand side, Create, and then Zap. And then it's going to take you to this page. Now what we're doing in a Zap is we are taking information from one system to another system. So the first system is going to be your Jill's office system, where it's going to collect your Jill's office action item information, and we're going to put that into another system. So whether that be a Google spreadsheet, if you're in Jobber, if you have Go High Level, if you have Active Campaign or Slack, whatever it is, you're going to take the information from Jill's office action item and put it into your system. So for this example, we will just do a Google spreadsheet. So the trigger is we're going to click on that first, and then we're going to search for the trigger, and it's going to be Jill's office. And currently at the time of this video, it's Jill's office beta. And it's going to come to this page. Then what you're going to do is you're going to choose the event, and we're going to choose new action item. The new action item also includes new contact information, so that's why we choose the new action item, because it also includes all of the notes. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to click continue. Then it's going to ask us to sign in to our account. I'm already signed in here, but if you weren't signed in, you would connect your account here and do all the credentials for that. So we're going to click continue. And then what we're going to do is we're going to test our trigger. And so what this is going to do, it's going to pull over information from a previous action item that it's going to use as a template. So we'll test the trigger, and it's pulled over an action item from my account. We're going to continue with the selected record. And then now it's going to ask you to choose an action. So where do we want the Jill's office action item information to go? So if you have a Slack channel you want it to go to, or you're in Go High Level, you're going to search for those different things. So if you have a Jobber account, you're going to choose Jobber. If you have Job Nimbus right here, or just a Google Sheet, you can choose that right here. These are some of the top options that are normally chosen. So we'll just click on Google Sheets. And then from here, you're going to choose the event. So we want a new spreadsheet row. So every time a new Jill's office action item is created, it's going to create a spreadsheet row in the Google Sheet that you choose. So we'll click continue. And now you're going to choose the account. So this means you're going to log in to whatever system that you have your Google spreadsheet in. In this case, it's my Jill's office account, a Google spreadsheet, and then we're going to click continue. And then I'm going to choose the drive. So it'll be my Google Drive, and then the spreadsheet, Zapier test 1, and then whatever worksheet. So if you have several sheets within that Google Sheet, you can choose what sheet you want it to go onto. So I just have one. And then what's going to happen is you are going to match this information. So this is pulling all of the information that's on my Google Sheet, in that Google Sheet that I want, where I can put the Jill's office action item information. So for instance, first name, we're going to search for first name. So it's going to pull that information from the action item. Last name, and so on and so forth until we have filled in all of the items that we can. And then the action item notes is where we're going to put right here. Okay, and then we're going to click continue. And then we're going to test the step. So this is going to test the information, and we will check our spreadsheet to make sure everything was published in there correctly. We'll go ahead and go there now. So Zapier test 1. And there it is. We've tested this a few times, but this went in again today. So you'll see at the top, we have first name, last name, email, address, city, zip code, phone number, and action item information. And it populated on the spreadsheet that we wanted. So now it's correct. So you'll click on publish. And so now every time a new action item is created in your Jill's Office account from a Jill, it's going to put that information into your Google Sheet. Now, this is a general overview of how Zapier works with our Jill's Office action item app in Zapier, but this will work with any CRM that you have, not just the Google Sheets. So instead of choosing Google Sheets, you would choose another CRM that you may be in, and you would do the same steps to create that Zap. And that is how you would use our Jill's Office app Zap integration.